Educuties TV!
Hey friends! Today we're going on an amazing adventure with the letter A. Can you think of a word that starts with A? Let's find out together. Here we go! A is for Abe. A is for Abe. A is for astronaut. A is for astronaut. A is for alligator. A is for alligator. A is for acorn. A is for acorn. A is for airplane. A is for airplane. A is for asteroid. A is for asteroid. A is for abacus. A is for abacus. A is for autumn. A is for autumn. A is for avocado. A is for avocado. A is for apricot. A is for apricot. A is for aloe. A is for aloe. A is for antenna. A is for antenna. A is for arrow. A is for arrow. A is for anchor. A is for anchor. A is for almond. A is for almond. A is for alpaca. A is for alpaca. A is for ankle. A is for ankle. A is for antelope. A is for antelope. A is for apron. A is for apron. A is for alien. A is for alien. That was awesome! We found so many words that start with A. Can you remember some? Keep practicing and have fun! See you next time for more word adventures. Bye-bye!
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.